Hey, what's going on? Coach D here, and welcome to our Tai Chi 24 form breakdowns. Today we're working on single whip and wave cloud hands. All right, let's get to After we finished grass bird's tail right and we finished our rollback press, we shift our weight to the left leg on shifting our weight back, and we pull the hands around, turning the right foot in. Then we shift our weight to the right, bringing our hands and feet together. And how we finished on our last video is we finished by bringing our left hand to our right wrist. But how this actually works is all at one time. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be rolling this wrist into what we have as a crane hand, rolling this wrist to a crane hand, and bring the hands across the body, hook, and press. So from here, we pull the hand and open up the leg, empty step. Then we bend the front knee and roll the wrist palm out of the left hand and press. So all together, after we've brung our hands across and around, we bring our hands and feet together to the right, roll the wrist, crane hand, left hand over the top, hook the wrist, extend. This is all happening all together. Then we open up, empty step, roll the wrist and bend into a bow stance. So after our first single whip, we have cloud hands. So after we finish single whip, we're going to shift our weight to the back foot onto our right leg. We're going to lift the toe and pull the toe to the right and pull the arm around towards the right elbow. From here, we're going to bring our left foot in to meet our right foot, and as we do, we're rolling our wrist and pushing our palm out. From here, we're going to shift our weight onto the left foot and start our first waving cloud hands by bringing our left hand up and our right hand down. That's our transition into cloud hands. So in, single whip, shift the weight back, lift the toe, pull the foot around, bring it in, roll the wrist, palm out. After our transition, we shifting our weight to the left side, we bring our left hand up, right hand down, and twist our body to the left. Then we roll the left hand, palm out, and bring the right hand up by the left elbow to start the next waving cloud hands. As we do, we're going to then shift the weight to our right side and extend the left leg as we empty step out. And then repeat this for 6 times. So bringing this all together, we finish roll back, press, shift our weight, start single whip, open up, roll and press, shift our weight back, pull to the right, Roll the wrist. Shift the weight, wave cloud hands. Twist the body. Wave cloud hands. Shift the weight, extend, empty step. Roll the body, wave cloud hands. And repeat. Pull the energy across the body. Shift the weight. Twist, extend out, and bring the feet together as you wave the hands. All right, this has been Tai Chi 24 forms, first single whip into cloud hands. Next, we'll be working on the second single whip into Pat High Horse. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.